In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to your bank account. So let's jump straight into it. First, what you want to do is come across to bybit.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, what you're going to want to do is come up to these options in the top left hand corner, hover over the Buy Crypto option, and in the drop down menu, you want to click onto P2P Trading. So from here, what you're going to want to do is click onto the sell button. So you've got buy and sell. You want to click onto sell. And then what you want to do is choose what coin that you want to sell. So for this example, I've got USDT selected. And next to this, you want to choose your currency. So for my case being in the UK, I'm going to change this to GBP, Great British Pounds. And then finally, what you want to do is under all payment methods, you just want to choose bank transfer and then click the orange confirm button. So what it's going to do is filter all the available options for you, and what you can then do is choose which of the buyers that you want to sell your coin for to get the money to transfer to your bank account. So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and choose this top one. You can see its payment method is bank transfer. So what you're going to want to do is click on the sell button over here. This is going to bring up a screen like this. Now all you want to do is put the amount of coin that you want to sell. So for example, I'm going to put 20 USDT. And you'll see how much I'm going to receive after fees and things like that. Next, go ahead and click the add a payment method button down here. And what you can then do, if you haven't already, you can add your payment method. You can see I've got PayPal, but of course, if you want to add a bank account, what you can do is click the add now button here, choose bank transfer from here, and go ahead and link your bank account into here. So once you've added your payment method, what you want to do is come back to the trade screen over here and again click onto the sell USDT option. So again, we're just going to go ahead and put 20 USDT. And now in payment method, when I click down, you'll see the bank transfer is now showing. So what you want to do is click onto this, and once that's done, click onto the yellow sell button down here. So what that's going to do is send a notification to this person, and what they're going to be able to do is go ahead and purchase that for you. They're going to send you a message once that's been done, and once that's confirmed, you can then of course accept the transfer, and that's going to go straight into your bank account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.